Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 are getting ready to hit the market, and Samsung started mass production alongside with the firmware development for this year for devices. And now another design leak is out for the Z Fold 4 where we see big improvements over display. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is expected to launch in August this year along with Z Flip for Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds. And to this year foldable devices Samsung achieved the target, where new design for the Fold 4 is coming, a new huge design and possibly the lightest foldable phone in the market. But new leaks of the design make this clear that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is what people will love this year. According to Ice Universe, we get another clear leak of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 case, where we see a clear difference between Z Fold 4 and Z Fold 3 cases. Now Z Fold 4 is going to get a wider display, and even our display is smaller than the last generation. If you can pay close attention to the hinged part of the case where we see a very minimal design which is quite different on the Z Fold 3. Although the camera housing seems a bit bigger than the last generation. Maybe with the new updated camera Samsung need more space. Meanwhile, no changes for the button's fingerprint scanner and ports. But the new improved hinge design makes this design come true. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is going to get lighter and more durable. One of the most slightest affordable phone in the market is standing at 254 grams only. The phone will include 3 back cameras, a 50MP main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10MP telephoto lens with the best 3x optical zoom. And now according to Anthony on Twitter, we may get a thinner box for the both Z Fold 4. Although the bigger box for the Z Fold 4 will give respect to this bigger beast stuff I found, which can be used for both tab usage and mobile phone. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will going to get 120Hz 7.6 inches in display, and 6.2 inches 120Hz are a display with the different aspect ratios than the Z Fold 3. Snare Engine 1 Plus will be its biggest improvement, where we see the new cooling technology and 30% more power efficient. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video, peace out.